Marky, dahil ikaw ang susunod na uupo sa iyong starstruck seat.
Ang resulta po tonight was determined by the combined council scores and viewers' vote na nakuha ng mga survivors.
Vanessa went home with 25,000 pesos last week. This week, ang pauuwiin will take 30,000 pesos. Kaya hindi na namin patatagalin ang tensyon nyo. Please take your starstruck seat. Sarah Larson, you are safe.
Your long wait is over at pwede ka nang maupo. Bugs Daigo, join the others sa starstruck seats. Dalawa na lang sila at ang susunod na pangalang tatawagin namin ay siyang uuwi tonight.
Siya ay walang iba kundi si Johan Santos. You may take your final bow.
Rhea, you may now join the rest in their starstruck seats.